red dog. Clifford's been an old favorite for a long time. We're gonna make Clifford so he's sitting. He's a sitting dog. And what we're gonna do is start way over here. And this will be where his face is. So we're gonna go up like this. Then we're gonna come around like that. Just like that. And this is gonna be his ear coming down here. That's right. Just like that. Clifford's a big old Labrador retriever, I believe, but he's red. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring his snout down, just like that. And then his nose is gonna come like this. Bit of a loopy triangle, just like that. That's nice. And then we're gonna draw the dog lips like this. 1, 2. Bring that one down just a little bit. I'll come up and we'll give him a smiling face, just like that. Nice big cheek there. Very nice. Bring his ear back down like that, just to join it up there. And we're gonna draw an eyeball here, one side of his face, and then another one over here like this. That's nice. And let's bring the actual pupil of his eye there. Pupil of his eye there. And we can color those in, because that's fun to color in, just like that. There is his eyes, all done like that. Now all we have to do is give him some eyebrows. So let's go like this. They're kind of funny backwards eyebrows. Pointy on this side, and a bit of a line there. We'll do the opposite on this side. Just like that. And we could color those in too if you like, because they're gonna be black. Black eyebrows for Clifford. Very nice. Now what we're gonna do is give him a little chin here. Just like that. And we'll continue his neck here like that. Oh, Clifford's looking good, isn't he? Now we could start with his neck. One there. Let's bring his collar around. Just like that. That's nice. That's a good looking collar. Let's give it some circles on there, some studs. Oh, that's a nice looking Clifford dog. Here we go. Now his belly can start coming down like that. One side there, and then we'll bring his back down here like this. There we go, and bring it right around for his bum. There we go. Looking nice. And now they can bring his foot here. There's the back of his foot. Coming along like that. Let's give him his paw toes. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And then what we're gonna do is come up. There's his knee. There we go. That's looking nice. And now what we can do is bring his front paw arms like this. One there. Bring that across like that. 1, 2, 3. That's looking nice. Bring that on up like that. Looking good. Continue his belly down here. There we go. And then we'll give him another foot right up out here. Just like that. Bring his toes. 1, 2, and 3 there. There we go. This is looking nice. And then we'll bring that up like that. Alrighty. And his back foot will be there too. We'll just draw a little bump here like that and that. There we go. And now all that's left is his tail. So Clifford's tail will be here. Come on, up like that. There we go, that's nice. There we go, and it's Clifford. Time to do the red on the big red dog. Color. Red for his fur. Black for his nose and collar. A little bit of white for
fur around the edges. Thanks, everyone.